Do you miss eating fried chicken nowadays at food chain? Why don't you do it at home? Let's start cooking fried chicken which is crispy and spicy like those that you eat at food chain. The ingredients are very simple and I will list them all at the description box. Let's start by marinating the chicken using liquid seasoning. You can also use soy sauce in replacement for the liquid seasoning. Then add powdered pepper. In this recipe, I will be using 2 eggs, start mixing or beating the eggs. Again, this is optional. You may add chili sauce or powder. Spicy foods possess several health benefits. The heat of pepper increases blood flow throughout our body and is therefore good for our heart. Let's prepare the breading. Start by adding flour, around 4 teaspoons to 6 teaspoons of flour. Then let's also add cornstarch, also the same measurement, around 4 to 6 teaspoons of cornstarch. Then add salt and pepper. Now let's start the breading procedure. First, soak the marinated chicken to the eggs with chili, and then soak it with the mixture of cornstarch and flour. Repeat the process to all the chicken. Fried chicken simply consists of chicken which are coated in seasoning and are deeply fried or pressure fried. It is actually very known dish among the Filipinos and even all over the world. Now let's start the deep frying. Make sure that you have enough oil for the chicken for it to be cooked very well. You know, this chicken tastes like those that you are tasting at different food chain. Make sure that you only have medium heat so that you won't burn the chicken. And now it's done. We're ready to eat. Again, I would like to thank you for watching my new video. And for you to be updated, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and notification so that you will always be updated. Thank you!